Today we'll be testing out viral egg hacks to make eggs exciting again. So you might be asking, why do we need to appreciate eggs again? They're budget friendly. They're a great source of protein. They're a staple on the keto lifestyle, and Sarah and I definitely do not appreciate them because of prior experiences. Like in 2020, Sarah and I did a 5-day egg fast, and then we hated eggs for like 2 years. And then 2 months ago, we did the first installment of this series, and we blew up eggs in the microwave, and we made an egg volcano that was all dilapidated and collapsed. And so we failed in our mission to appreciate eggs. So once again, here we are. So we have 3 exciting egg hacks to try here today, some of which you guys have tagged us on social media. Thank you. You can tag us at Keto Twins on TikTok. You can tag us at Keto Twins Official on Instagram, or you can comment below if you see an egg hack that you would like us to try. So the first exciting egg hack that we're going to try is actually a technique to separate your egg yolks from your egg white. And we've struggled with this in the past. It's by @bayashi.tiktok, and basically he shows himself trying to separate egg yolks and getting all frustrated by it. He rubs his fingers in a clove of garlic, and magically now he is able to pick up the egg yolk from the egg whites. We're going to test this out to see if it works. I have my doubts. And this technique is important because the second hack that we're going to try has to do with only the egg yolks. So the first step is to peel your garlic clove. So I'm going to need 4 egg yolks for our second viral hack. So I'm going to crack the eggs onto a plate first, and then I'm going to rub my fingers with the garlic.
Should you try 1 egg? What if this doesn't work? Maybe just do 1 egg.
Fine.
When's the last time you ate an egg, Emily?
The egg volcano, probably. Can I peel this piece of garlic? So I'm rubbing my fingers on the garlic.
Hello.
He literally goes and grabs it.
Okay.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Just be gentle. You have a little heavy hand sometimes. Grab it gently. Gentle with gentle. Okay. Careful now. It's not working already, I can tell. Careful. Wait. I feel like I'm telling Charlie not to do something.
Okay. No. No. That was not true. Whatever that was.
That hack did not
But this
work.
egg yolk, it's got some stamina. So that hack did not work. I have the egg yolk here. And this leads us to our second hack, which has to do with egg yolks. And it's by @FoodMyMuse. And she coats egg yolks in panko and deep fries them and then serves them on top of a nice piece of toast. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna separate out 4 egg yolks, and I'm gonna put them in a bed of pork panko with a little bit of garlic in it. And then we're going to deep fry them. So we like to use pork panko when we are deep frying things because it does give a texture like panko, so this should work. We're going to put down 4 egg yolks into this pork panko, gently. And we're gonna try to coat it gently all over with the pork panko. So now we're gonna put these into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna fry them up. So while the egg yolks are in the refrigerator, we're gonna talk about the sponsor of this video, Element. Element is a delicious electrolyte drink mix with everything that you need and nothing that you don't. That means lots of salt and no sugar. Element is formulated to help anybody with their electrolyte needs, especially somebody on a ketogenic or low carb diet. Electrolyte deficiencies can cause things like headaches, nausea, muscle cramps, and Element replenishes your electrolytes so that you feel better. And it is literally the best tasting electrolyte supplement that Sarah and I have ever tried, and we've been talking about them for years, way before they started sponsoring videos on our channel. Our favorite flavors are citrus salt, raspberry salt, orange salt, and they do have a limited release flavor, grapefruit salt, that's absolutely delicious. And right now, Element is offering our community a free sample pack with any purchase. That's 8 single serving packets free with any order from Element. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. This deal is only available through our link. You must go to drinklmnt.com/ketotwins. Thanks so much to Element for sponsoring another video on our channel. Sponsors help keep our channel going, and thanks to you guys for supporting our sponsors. So the original creator served these crispy egg yolks on a piece of toast. We're just gonna use our chopple for this. We can link our recipe in the description below. It makes the perfect piece of toast. We're kind of doing a cheat. We're gonna go in with a little bit of guacamole spread on top. Now that we have somewhere to put our egg yolks, we're gonna fry them up in some avocado oil.
We're only going for about 15 seconds here.
So have you ever had fried egg yolks before?
No, never.
I'm super excited. We're hoping that they're still
A little jammy inside.
Which one should I go for?
This one, because it's closer to the camera, I think.
This one?
We're just going to cut it open and see if it's jammy inside. Here's hoping. Oh, nice.
I see it. Ready?
Okay. I want to chop mine in half.
No.
I want to be a lady.
No.
Well, wait for me.
That's why. No time for that. It's delicious.
They're rich and indulgent and luxurious. These are really filling because chaffles are really filling, you know?
It feels like I'm paying $20 for this at brunch. Next up, Sarah's going to try a hack that I have my doubts about. I don't think this is real, but Sarah, take it away.
Okay, so our next egg hack actually comes suggested by you guys in our Facebook group. We do have a private Facebook group if you guys are interested in checking it out. We will leave a link in the description below. This video kind of has a bunch of different ones, but we're going to focus on the last one, which is pretty much they make a egg noodle out of the egg yolk by using a syringe. And I don't know if you guys have ever watched other videos like this on the internet, but they seem really too good to be true, and I have serious doubts that this one is actually going to work. Pretty much all we're going to do is we're going to take some egg yolks, put it into a syringe, and then we're going to inject them into some boiling water. I did buy a ramen noodle packet, and we're going to be adding in that seasoning just to see if we can get it to taste like ramen noodles. And if this actually works, this would be the easiest keto-friendly noodle on record. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my egg yolks from my egg whites and put them into a bowl. I'm just going to be using my standard way, which is to like juggle the egg yolks in between the eggshells until we get them separated out. And then we're going to fill our syringes with our egg yolks. Like with a lot of these videos, there are no instructions other than what you interpret from the video itself. So pretty much I have a pot on my stove and I'm heating up 2 cups of water. So I'm going to be filling up my syringes. I don't know if these are the right type. It didn't, like I said, have any instructions. So I found these on Amazon. I think it was like $3 for this. I will leave them linked below if you guys want to try it. Who knows if this will work or not? I'm hoping it will.
Oh, wow. Have you watched a lot of Grey's Anatomy, Sarah?
I mean, it's not a needle, it's a syringe.
Dun, 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 dun. Wait, that's not Grey's Anatomy.
What is that? ER? What are you
I
talking
think
about?
that's Law and Order.
Oh.
What is that noise from Law and Order?
Okay, so let's try to fill up our syringe. I've never done this before, but I'm assuming that you just suck it in there and it's gonna fill it up, right? I'm gonna stick it in the yolk. That's what that person did. And I'm going to suck it. Well, I would hope this part would at least work.
I don't know why I'm so amazed.
I'm gonna try to use up all this egg yolk. We're getting some resistance here. Okay, here we go. So here we have our water. I'm just gonna start ejecting it in, is that right? Ejecting it into oops. It's giving me egg drop soup vibes. Oops.
Maybe stop?
Why?
Because you're just going to turn it into a giant omelet.
Pipes?
Maybe we should have created a vortex.
No. It's
Like
fine because as it touches the water, it's working, okay?
It looks like a funnel cake.
It's not going to be exactly like noodles, even though if you look at the video, it pretty much looks like noodles because these people cheated.
It looks... No. No.
What?
I don't think you did it right.
There's no instructions. So here I have some ramen noodles. I'm going to be using this beef packet to flavor our soup, and then we're going to go downstairs and try it.
Oh no.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so here we have our noodles from the Facebook video that we followed. To me, it's giving me egg drop soup vibes. I like egg drop soup. What about you?
Yes.
I would say the consistency is not that noodle-like, other than it being kind of like in shreds. It's more like a scramble. If you look really closely, I'm pretty sure you can tell. And
They switched it out.
in this video. They switched it out for ramen noodles, which, you know, clickbait. It works, you know? People click on it.
They complain,
But you still clicked on it. And so that's why those things work, by the way.
When you
So-
complain, you also help it spread to more people. So, cheers.
It tastes like egg drop soup to me. The ramen packet, I really like ramen beforehand. So to me, this is kind of like a good replacement for that. What do you think?
I like it. I mean, let's be honest, it's not a noodle, but it's good enough.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a quick Asian-inspired dish, give this a go.
Okay, so the last egg hack that we're going to be going over today, it's actually a hack to poach eggs. And we've actually poached eggs on our channel before just using the old way, which is pretty much filling a pot of water and putting some vinegar and creating a vortex and all this sort of stuff. This actually simplifies it. So the person that made this video is on TikTok at @KaleJunkie. That's her handle. She takes the egg and she puts it in a glass and puts it into the microwave for 30 seconds or 60 seconds at a time, depending on your microwave. I did go through the comments and a lot of people were like, my egg exploded in the microwave and all this sorts of stuff. So I think that you're going to have to take it slowly with this recipe if you're going to try this hack. And I would do it on 30-second intervals because everybody's microwave is set up differently and has a different wattage. I've never touched the wattage on this microwave, so whatever it came default is the wattage that it's at currently. In the past, we've actually done other egg hack recipes where we've had some explosions in there, so I think that it's a pretty high wattage. So I'm going to go in with 30-second intervals and see how our egg's coming along. You just want to cook it enough so that the outside of the egg is nice and opaque while the inside is still runny. So let's do that now. So the plan here is to poach my eggs really quickly. We're going to be putting it on a chopple, which is what we did with the first hack because it's really good and that's what other people have been doing as well. Try 30 seconds. I have no idea if this glass is microwavable, by the way. These are my husband's cocktail glasses, so hopefully they don't break. And if they do, I'll buy him more. Okay, so there's a lot going on at the bottom, not so much at the top. There's a white rim at the bottom, which is good, but the top still looks like it's not done. So we're gonna go in with an additional 30 seconds. It's been about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Very interesting, but it's still not done yet. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes and I think that they're done. So we're gonna fish these out of here. We're gonna put them on our chaffle with a little bit of guacamole. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of tagine on top and then we're gonna go downstairs and try it. Last one of the day here. Do you wanna get a, definitely not done. There's a little bit underdoneness on that one. I'll give you the fully cooked one. Okay, let's see if the yolk is still nice and runny like you like in a poached egg. I feel like it's solid. Oh no! Fail.
That's weird because the outside is kind of like runny,
Yeah.
which I don't like, but you overcook the yolk.
You want the other one?
I don't want to. No, I don't like that. I'm cheating.
I'm trying to look at the best. Okay, Emily just took out the egg yolk. Oh, that's tagine is spicy.
The best tasting egg today was the deep fried one in the pork panko. I would definitely do that again. It just beat this far and wide in my opinion.
So we really love experimenting here on our channel. So if you guys have any hacks or recipes that you guys want us to try, tag us on Instagram or on TikTok or our Facebook group or anywhere you guys are on the internet, let us know. If you guys want to see the other first part of this egg hack extravaganza, if you will, you can click on the video on the screen and we'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we're the Keto Twins signing out.